Introducing Japan Aviation Electronics Industries November 2019 product release. J has launched the AX03 series, floating type board-to-board connectors for horizontal connection. The connector is ideal for internal connection of industrial equipment such as robots, automated machines, and machine tools. Automated production lines using robots and automated machines are becoming increasingly popular in order to improve productivity, quality, and to reduce manpower. The use of floating board-to-board connectors is growing to support robotic assembly while ensuring vibration resistance and contact reliability. Circuit board layouts are becoming more complex and demands for connectors that allow for horizontal connection of boards are increasing. The use of horizontal board connection is ideal, especially in cases that require keeping total height of the connection, including the thickness of the board itself, low profile. As well as horizontal board connectors help and to avoid interfering with components sharing board space, problems which tend to occur in parallel and vertical board connections. To cater to these trends, we have launched the AX03 series, floating board-to-board connectors for horizontal connection. The AX03 series offers low-profile and space-saving solution through horizontal connection. At the same time, adopting a floating structure as the AX01 series, the connector has a floating structure of plus or minus 0.5 mm in X and Y directions, which can absorb positional shifts, misalignments during mounting and assembly. Add in the mating guides and the connector becomes optimal for robot assembly. Oftentimes, the use of multiple board-to-board connectors on a single board, the use of conventional rigid-type board-to-board connectors cause difficulty with mating alignment. AX03 series connectors floating structure will absorb positional misalignments during mounting and allowing simultaneous use of multiple board-to-board connectors. Please visit the J website for more information on these products.